Hi guys, let's look at this question. This question says a housewife with a given amount can buy either 10 apples or 15 oranges or 2 watermelons. Right now with a given amount. So the total cost price of 10 apples should be equal to the total cost price of 15 oranges should be equal to the total cost price of 2 watermelons. Okay. And we do not know the price. So let us say that is equal to a K. That is what we generally do. Now the question says find the maximum number of oranges which she can buy with 6 times the initial amount that she has, that she gets, such that she gets each of the 3 varieties of fruits. Right now, which means I need to know the cost price of each orange. Right now, what generally students do is they either take in the form of right A equal to K, and they write R is equal to. So the minute you visualize that of each orange, that means you're dividing the price of each apple and each watermelon. So therefore, we rather assume the value of K to be a multiple of 10, 15, and 2. So therefore, I assume K to be LCM of 10, 15, and 2, which happens to be 30. So I would rather take the total cost price as 30K. That is the price with which the housewife is going to the market. So if the price of 10A is equal to 30K, can I say that the value of A is equal to 3K? Now the value of R will be 30K by 15, that will be 2K. And the value of W will be 30K by 2, that will be 15K. Clear? Now, the question says that she has now 6 times the amount that she had taken earlier. So if she had 30K, now she is going to the market with 180K. 6 times of this. Such that she's buying each of the 3 varieties and we want to maximize the number of oranges. If I'm maximizing the number of oranges, I want to minimize apples and watermelon. So let me assume I'm buying 1 apple. I'm buying 1 watermelon. So the cost price of each apple is 3K. The cost price of each watermelon is 15K. Right? And let's say we are buying N oranges. And that's why if you're minimizing apples and watermelons, oranges become maximum. So here I'm taking 2 into K into N. Now this I have to spend a total of 180K rupees. So if I take a K common from here, or I can write this as K common, which has 18 plus 2N is equal to 180K. K gets cancelled, or we get 2N is equal to 180 minus 18. That will be how much? 162, or the value of N becomes 162 by 2, that is equal to 81. So if I assume the value of K as a multiple of 10, 15, and 2, my job becomes pretty easy. And if I need to maximize the number of oranges, I need to minimize the number of apples, number of watermelons. Right. So therefore, with that, we will be able to get that the maximum number of oranges that she buys is going to be 81. And therefore, 81 becomes your final answer. And yeah, I think somewhere between 90 seconds to 120 seconds, or I would not even be surprised if you are taking somewhere between 60 seconds to 120 seconds to get the answer. But try to avoid fractions so that your job becomes pretty easy in that case. Thank you.